If you are a small or middle-sized business, in today's world you need to have both CRM and ERP systems in place. What is CRM? CRM, or Customer Relationship Management, refers to the technology.
You really want another video like this? I'll tell you what it is. CRM is when your customer comes to you and feels that you do care about them, that you won't forget their name, what goods they buy and how often they do it. You won't lose their number and you won't forget to call back. That's where you build customer relationships that will last a lifetime. On the other hand, ERP is something that your customers wouldn't see, but it really helps you to get rid from a whole lot of troubles with sales, assets, inventory, loans, receivables, payments, taxes, salaries, employees, blah 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 blah. OneHash is the world's best solution so far because it has both CRM and ERP under one roof. Close faster with the world's best smart CRM. Manage your finances with the smart accounting software. Keep an eye on your production process using smart manufacturing ERP software. Reinvent sales and supply chain management. Upgrade your style of work with a smart project management tool. Uplift customer service to the next level with a smart help desk software. And even build stunning websites with the world's #1 smart website builder. That's what CRM plus ERP is all about. That's OneHash. Get your lifetime deal now at PitchGround.com.